Hi, this is Marcus from Coveya, and today I'll be talking to you about Lineshaft Conveyors. The Lineshaft Conveyor gets its name from the metal shaft that runs all the way around the conveyor and drives these top rollers here. The top rollers are driven by a band from the line shaft itself. This is a good way of moving the parcels, and also it's safe. If someone puts their hand onto the conveyor, the rollers just simply stop. So there's no chance of you jamming a finger or hurting yourself on the roller. It holds enough power to pull the boxes around, but it's totally safe to work with, so it's a great platform to pick from and work from. As with all our conveyors, they are modular, so we can build a conveyor to the customer's requirements. As you see, the box will follow the corner perfectly well, and you can have it going left, right, or wherever you need it, to whatever spec you like. This one has been spec'd with an opening gateway, so you can move through to the other side of the conveyor. I'll show you how that operates now. So over here, we just have a small pull plunger, put a light pressure onto the conveyor, pull the plunger, and the doorway opens up. And you can just drop it back down, and then the rollers carry on working. So the parcels can keep running, no need to stop the conveyor. This Lineshaft conveyor is being sent abroad to be used in the postal service for moving parcels and packages. This conveyor runs on four 415-volt motors. There is one motor in each side to run each section of the conveyor, and is painted in the customer's colours. Please feel free to give us a call or visit our website. We look forward to hearing from you. Thank you very much.